Welcome to Pools in a Closet. Why a closet? Well, as a stay-at-home dad with 2 daughters, I am the tip of the wagging tail, and the closet is where the tail wags now. My name is Matthew Mackay, and I cover the Northeast U.S. for Myrtha Pools. For me, pools build healthy communities. I'm a lifelong swimmer, and I have some strong opinions about pools. For that reason, I decided to partner with the best pool company I could find, and that is Myrtha Pools. So why Myrtha? The purpose of these short videos is to highlight critical differences between the Myrtha system and other pools. I will also demonstrate unique solutions the Myrtha technology unlocks, saving the owner money and improving the user experience. In this, the first episode, I will focus on the actual material that makes Myrtha different. What makes Myrtha Pools fundamentally different than all other pool shells is the company's ability to bond PVC to stainless steel. What this enables is all the structural benefits of stainless steel coupled with the waterproofing capability of PVC. This process creates a pool shell that is much more durable, longer lasting, and lower maintenance than other pool shells. To walk you through the actual process, this is a video of our plant over in Italy for the hot lamination process. Stainless steel panels are presented to the machine at one end, which is then heated up. PVC is both thermally and chemically bonded to the stainless steel. A protective white coat is then applied to the finished panel in order to protect for shipping. So this is what the final panel looks like. You've got the stainless steel panel underneath, a PVC that has been bonded to the stainless steel, and then a white protective coat on top that is removed once the panel is installed in the field. On the back side of the panel is a protective coating that is also applied. What this enables is additional protection for the stainless steel panel when it is installed on a site that requires backfilling or that is in a high water table. Thank you for watching Pools in a Closet. I hope this episode helped you understand why the basic building block of stainless steel hard-coated in PVC makes a Myrtha pool more durable, long-lasting, and lower maintenance. In the next episode, I will go into more of the engineering behind the Myrtha system. Please reach out if you like this video or would like to learn more about Myrtha Pools. I'm Matthew Mackay.